talking about some pretty bad um, storms that will be coming in throughout the week. So, as we begin on Monday, we can see there is a little bit of a calm down on Tuesday, but into Tuesday afternoon we see these start firing up, and into Tuesday evening they just keep getting more and more severe. I mean, Wednesday morning, 19.2.12 lightning strikes per square kilometer. Like, that's bad. A square kilometer is small, and that's some pretty bad severe weather. But if we are to keep going throughout the week, we can see it's really just absolutely plowing through all these areas. But it looks like Oklahoma and Kansas will get hit hardest in the morning. I mean, just look at that absolute freak of a storm right there. It moves through, and the probability of large tornadoes is actually a lot higher now. So I would watch out. Wednesday is not going to be your day if you live in the Midwest, because that is scary. Like, just look at that. Like, that's not normal at all. So that's the severe weather, but we're gonna come back to the topic later in the video. But for now, I want to talk about some tropical updates. Yeah. So there's an October hurricane. Now, hurricane tracker. No, Pamela's not. I think it's 92L. Yes, 92L looks like it's gonna be the only one affecting, but it definitely looks like it's gonna be picking up throughout Euro model here. It definitely looks like it's gonna be picking up throughout its course here, and just look at it. I mean, that is a dangerous hurricane, and it's going to be forming along the mid-Atlantic coast into the northeast coast, as we see the New Jersey coast and some of the Massachusetts coast and Rhode Island coast get a little bit messy with this thing. So if I were to live by these areas, I would definitely start making preparations, because in the next 3 days this thing is supposed to, let's actually look. Yeah, I would really recommend that you take some preparations already. Currently, it's in the next 12 hours, it's supposed to move a lot, but that doesn't mean its effects won't leave, because it's still going to be bringing heaves of rain and heaves of wind into this area. In the next 10 days, there's gonna be some type of wind everywhere. Up here, I don't know why that wind is there, but anyway, this tropical storm is not gonna be something to brush off about, because it's going to be bringing a lot of rain. If we just look here, at least I've been told, that might be proven wrong already, but it does look like there are some storms from yesterday, or from today, moving off from the Midwest. I don't think it's gonna be spitting out too much rain, actually. Wow. Okay, we're starting to see some type of development here. Turns into small lightning storm. Yeah. It doesn't look like it's gonna be bringing that much rain throughout the next few days, which is odd because it's a tropical storm. Yeah, I guess I've been told false information, but it will be tracking throughout the most land, and unless its course changes, I don't think you're gonna avoid the wind. And it might change for the worse, whereas it would be moving inland and affecting more people, which hopefully will not happen. But moving back onto that severe weather topic, I like taking a look at wind. And Wednesday morning, there are going to be some powerful wind gusts. And possibly tornadoes. I mean, look at that. That is some keen rotation. But we can see these two wind masses moving against each other. See, along this little line here, there is going to probably be a lot of severe weather because when two wind forces collide, they sort of create a spin up, just like when you I don't know, put just like if you were to shove two clouds against each other really fast, and they'd start spinning, and some rotating thunderstorms are bound to happen. But the main area I'm looking at right now that will probably get most most tornadoes is this little arm of storms here. As we can see, this is where the two winds like collide, and in this area with stronger thunderstorms, that should be bringing quite the significant weather. So I just pray for anybody who lives there. Our prayers are with you. So that is definitely something you guys need to worry about, because if you live in the Midwest, you can see the wind here just colliding. That's going to be a real big issue because, and we see a lot of powerful thunderstorms. I think 3 a.m. and 2 a.m. are probably going to be the worst of the storm. But as we still move on through the day, don't lose your caution, because that storm could be creating some bad tornadoes. So watch out, prayers are with you. And yeah, that's about it for today's video. If I shouldn't really plug in the subscribe, but if you would, it would help me out a lot. We need 50 subscribers. Thank you very much. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was informative for you, and bless all of you. Goodbye.